SkinPack is New Zealand's leading supplier in innovative packaging solutions. We specialise in skin and blister packaging solutions. Struggling to find the right promotion solution for your product? Want to create a professional look that's shelf-ready for the most effective packaging cost? The only limit to what you can pack utilising skin packaging is your imagination. From trade tools, cosmetic, automotive, tapware, agricultural to boating, camping and fishing parts and accessories, there is no limit. Here's how it works. Your products are placed on a printed backing board with your custom artwork design. And depending on your product size, you may pack up to 30 products at the same time of any shape or size. The packaging cycle only takes 5 to 10 seconds. Once the supercharged film is heated, it activates the special glue on the backing board and adheres only to the board and not your products, forming a glass-clear high-quality pack. Once your products have been skin packaged, you can then die cut your board to deliver individual cards with rounded corners and hanger holes ready to hang and sell. Skin packaging is the most flexible packaging solution on the market and delivers increased sales drastically and therefore increasing your income revenue. Versatile security and protection, reducing product theft, giving you peace of mind when displayed. Protecting your product, visually appealing presentation with its vacuum-sealed supercharged film, producing products which are great for advertising and providing important information. Pack in-house or contract pack leading to flexibility of DIY or DIFY. Low setup costs. Elimination all tooling requirements, allowing for maximum profitability per item. Fast turnaround time, giving you speed to market and start selling. We have a complete packaging solution for your product with high-quality machine options. SkinPack has a strong drive for the recyclable future. We are APCO members and encourage the Australasian Recycling Label Program.
For your free product packaging design sample, simply contact SkinPack for more details. www.skinpack.co.nz or call us on 0800 445 274.